Okay, so in this one, they're giving us this equation. And they want us to find, looks like 5 points, write the ordered points, and then graph. So each time we're going to be plugging in the x value for x, the x value for x, the x value for x into the equation. Okay, so take them one at a time. Start with this one. X is -2, so I'll write it right here. And then we're going to plug into the equation y equals -5/2. So I'm going to plug in the -2 right there, plus 2. So plug in right there. So I just took that equation they have right here, and I just plugged in x is -2. Okay. And then what do I get? So, well, if you use your calculator right here, negative, well, first off, you know it's positive, huh? Because 2 negatives make a positive, and it'll come out to be 5. The reason is here, I'll just do it by hand, because this is 2/1. Remember, whenever we have a whole number interacting with a fraction, we put it over 1 to make it look like a fraction, and these 2's cancel. So it's 5/1, or just 5. We don't write 1s in the bottom. And 2 negatives make positive 5. Plus 2, and so y is 7. Look up there, y is 7. So that's the ordered pair, -2, 7. I plugged in x is -2 and y came out 7. Okay, let's go to the next one. I'm going to plug in x is -1. Write the equation. -5/2 times -1 plus 2. So grab that -1 right there. So 2 negatives make a positive 5/2 plus 2. If you do that on your calculator, you'll get 4.5. So that is 4.5, and that's the point back 1 up 4.5. And will it take, I believe it will take, I'm here on 4.2 number 5. Let me double check to make sure it's going to take decimals like that. I just don't know. Oh, I see. Yeah, so this is yeah, it'll take decimals. All right. Okay, so we good on that one. So now let's go to the next one. I just checked to make sure it'll take decimals. Plug in 0. X equals 0, same equation. So -5/2, and this time we're plugging in 0 for x. Plus 2, and anything times 0 is just 0. So y is just 2. In that back, that's the point 0, 2. Next one, plug in 1. X is 1. Y is -5/2 times 1 plus 2. If you hit the buttons on your calculator, you'll get -0.5. So that's 1 comma minus 0.5 or 0.5, same thing either way. And last one, x is 2. Plug in there. X is 2. Hit the buttons on your calculator, you'll get -3. 2 minus 3, okay. So now, we've got a bunch of points. Okay, now we're going to graph them. Now, notice up here it says use 2 of the points to graph. So I don't want to use the decimal ones. So, because that's hard to tell where the decimals go. But I'll use like this one, 0, 2. I can use any 2. So 0, 2 is a good one. That's over 0 up 2. And then like, I don't know, any other one you want. Like I'll use maybe this over 2 down 3, over 2 down 1, 2, 3 right here. This is the point, over 2, right? Starting from the origin right here on over 2 down 1, 2, 3. So there it is. So I got those 2 dots. And now I just connect the dots. So let's see here. Something like that. So your line will come out something like that. And there we go. So we just plugged in, what we do, we plugged in each of these x values to this equation down here. I showed all that. Hit the buttons on the calculator, got the ordered points, put 2 of them on the graph to make the line. There we go.